80 towns and villages flooded after the dam at Nova Kakhovka collapsed. Water is surging down the Dnipro river and it's said to pose a catastrophic flooding risk to the city of Kherson. Video footage shows a torrent of floodwater gushing through a branch in the dam. Several towns are already flooded, while people in areas further downstream have been forced to flee by bus and train. About 40,000 people need to be evacuated. 24 settlements most worst affected by the floods. The flood quickly hit everything around it. Even the houses of local residents were submerged by the pool of water coming from the sea. Local government say 53 evacuation buses were being sent by the authorities to take people from the city and 2 other settlements nearby to safety. The small town of Oleshki was also heavily flooded, Kremlin-appointed officials said. Until now, flooding in several Ukrainian cities have become more widespread and has not stopped while the dam was not being repaired. Local residents are currently busy saving their property from flooding. Furniture to private vehicles were also submerged by the high overflow of seawater.
Місто Херсон по коліно, по шию в воді, ви бачите затоплені будівлі.
Satellite images from Ukraine have revealed the extent of the flooding in the country's south are increasing after the region's Kakhovka Dam and hydroelectric station were largely destroyed. The Kakhovka Dam, downstream from the huge Kakhovka reservoir, is crucial to the region. It provides water to farmers and residents.
Остров там вообще проехали, там где пост, там уже проехать нельзя. Так это у нас Корабелка.
Ukraine state-owned hydropower plant administrator warned that the peak of a water spill downstream from the emptying reservoir was expected on Wednesday morning. It said this would be followed by a period of stabilization with the water expected to rapidly recede in 4 to 5 days.
Вы живете там дальше, да?
Lately, the weather has been very extreme in many countries. It is not surprising that natural phenomena such as flood and so on occur in several areas. The government of each region urged their citizens to continue to increase their vigilance against extreme weather.
Еще больше, да, уже.